This is educational, not trading or investment advice, okay? This is entertainment, mainly educational. Future stocks, bond trading of any kind involves substantial risk. You may lose everything you have. Before trading or investments, do your own due diligence. This is not a recommendation to go out and trade with your money, okay? If you do so, you're on your own. If you're watching or listening to this video, you are agreeing to these terms. Okay, let's get to it. Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro. You're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. Day trading for an ROI payout. Just my trade journal market analysis, Tuesday, 2/20/24. And we've got ES price action levels, daily affirmation. I see it, understand. Rigid discipline and rules, flexible in outcome expectations, independent thinker, impeccable risk manager, precision-based trader, responsible business manager. Left to right, NASDAQ, S&P, US dollar. We're an hour into RTH, and you can see we've got the equity indices down in black here, and something we haven't seen, the dollar down at the same time. So usually it's been the exact opposite for the beginning of the year, and here everything's down, including King Dollar. So let's go to the ES, that's what I trade, and let's look at the price action levels. Next chart. Weekly chart on the ES. This has got my attention just because we've got this pivot high, swing high right up here previous week. Here's where we are now, and this is the 3 EMA. Black is 6, green is 9, and it's all about this 9 EMA not being touched for, I don't know, going on 15 weeks. So definitely a multi-year. So this is the 4-hour chart, and what I'm doing here is we're almost 5 minutes after the first hour of RTH trading, observing where we've come from. And because I'm using a 4-hour chart, higher time frame, I want to look at the respect versus disrespect of the big displacement candle we had last Friday. So you can see last Friday, and then these smaller bars represent the holiday trading. And then you can see we pretty much did not even get back really to the middle of this black bar. And we just have gone back into this yellow daily fair value gap where we are currently. So pointing out the levels, the new week open gap on the holiday was right here, and that is 5016.75 by 5014.5. So that's the new week open gap. We're below it, and we've been staying below it. In the RTH here with this black candle, you can see we're almost repriced to the bottom, and then below it, this is the February 5th new week open gap in gray. This is an important level because we haven't really closed below it before. And if we do, what I'm looking for is a reprice back in and a close below this volume imbalance level. And then, of course, we go way down here into the January levels, into the weekly fair value gap. But we've already displaced, again, last Friday, holiday. Here we are in RTH, over an hour into it. So I'm completely flat. I have been short, took a few trades, but with very small size. And the reason is it's holiday protocol. We're starting the first regular day on a Tuesday. We've got news event on Wednesday with the FOMC minutes. So I'm going to keep powder dry, and I'm watching here on the 4-hour. I want to see where the next retrace up would be. So potentially I'm measuring out the levels. So London came in for the 5010.75, New York midnight open 5004.75, and the RTH open 5001.75. So successive lows after New York midnight. We did spike up to London, but it looks like it was a Judas swing, and then we're down here to 5,000. So the question is, do they try to save 5,000 today by the end of the close? I don't know, but because of the time, and we're after the first golden hour for me, I'm just going to sit on and be happy with whatever is in the ROA coffers and just wait for Wednesday, because Wednesday's when I look at possibly more volatility and whatever expansion we may have. So these are the levels. Again, I'm not going to be surprised today if we do hit 49.76, 49.72, because it's a new week open gap magnet. So let's see how price goes in the afternoon. Thanks so much for watching. Shout out to the OG subscribers. Welcome all 2024 new subscribers. Take care. Aloha.